Welcome back to Retire Too Soon, and today we're going to take the old girl out for a drive. So we got to get her fired up. If you don't know who the old girl is, yep, it's going to be the second gen, which is probably why you guys are mostly here, and girls. So today I want to take it for a drive. I got a new phone mount attached to the window. I'll put it up on the screen. I'll show you in just a second. See if I can get some good road footage for you guys and see what we can see today. Alright, let's get her warmed up and we're gonna hit the road. And just like that, we made it back home. So hopefully the footage wasn't too shaky. So I did notice it was bouncing like almost the whole way. So hopefully with me speeding up, add some music, it turned out pretty good. But let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Let me know what you guys want to see. Do you guys like the driving footage? I do enjoy driving it. It's a lot of fun. It's a great project. I can invest into it and modify it. You know, it doesn't drive as good as a brand new truck, but then again, I'm not spending over $1,000 a month on a payment. So things paid off, and extremely happy I got a great deal on it. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. And until next video, thanks for watching. Bye.